Hey guys, welcome or welcome back on my YouTube channel. It's me Anam. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I did my nails. So today I'm gonna do tip powder nails, and we're gonna do a really trendy and cute nail art design which is really viral nowadays on Instagram, that cherry and French tip one. So yeah, let's get into this video. So the tips I'm using today is from Model Ones. I got these tips from Model Ones, and these are not too expensive ones. So if you want to check out these tips, you can check out the description box, and these are really good ones actually. And if you don't want to buy from any website, you can even check out Amazon. I guess Amazon India also have these kind of tips, but those are kind of expensive, I can say, because the quality is not that nice, and those are really expensive ones. So if you want to check out from Model One, and if you want, so you can check out this on Amazon as well. You can find all the links in my description box. Now for the dip powder nails, I'm actually gonna use acrylic. This one is from One, and this is a good acrylic if you want to use this as a dip powder. I don't like this as a acrylic. I feel like today I should go with gel method, so I'm using this gel base coat from Eokatech. This one is from their polygel kit. I don't really use their polygel kit that much, but I really like their base coat. So yeah, I'm using their base coat from their polygel kit for dip powder nails. I guess you guys already know about these dip powder nails, but if you don't know that much about dip powder nails, so you can check out some of my previous videos where I share everything you need to know about dip powder nails. But if you don't want to watch those videos, let me just tell you briefly what dip powder nails is and how you should do your dip powder nails easily and beginner friendly. There are hundreds of dip powder nowadays in market, but I prefer to use acrylic powder as a dip powder. I don't know why, but I feel like that there is not too much of difference in acrylic and dip powder. But if you want to try dip powder, so there are few options you can check out. You can find the link in my description box. But if you are a beginner, I suggest you to go with acrylic powder first, and after some time if you feel like that you should buy dip powder, you can buy dip powder anytime. And one more thing, lots of people says that acrylic nails and gel nails are really dangerous for your nails, and it is, honestly speaking it is. But the dip powder is completely different thing. If you do dip powder nails, that is 100% safe for your nails, and you can even do it on regular basis. So now let's talk about how to do these nails. These are the easiest nails you can do. I feel like that these nails are really good. If you are a beginner, you should start with doing dip powder nails. All you need to do is you can I'm talking about gel method. If you want to know about normal method, you can check out other YouTube videos, or you can simply wait for my new YouTube video. I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about regular dip powder thing. So yeah, first you need to apply your base coat. Before, like, first you need to prep your nails, apply tips and all that stuff, then you have to apply base coat, and then you have to dip your nails in the dip powder. Then you have to remove your nails, and you have to like remove the excessive product. Then you have to cure it, and then you have to repeat this step for 3 to 4 to 5 times. It's basically your choice. If you like thick nails, you have to repeat this step for like 5 to 6 times. But if you like normal or thin nails, you have to repeat this step like 3 to 4 times, I guess. After dipping and curing, you have to buff, file and shape your nails. Then after doing that, you have to apply a good top coat. This top coat is from Eokatech polygel kit. Now just repeat these steps on your remaining nails. So now as nails are done, so let's do the nail art. I don't know what this is, but I found these in my drawer. I was basically cleaning my drawers and I found these, and I don't know what this is. And when I purchased this, I guess this is like gifted or a PR or something, but I found out that this is an amazing thing. If you want to do a French tip design, you just have to apply this on your nails, and then you have to apply the gel paint on the nails. After applying gel paint, you can remove the thing from your nails, and then you have to cure your nails and tan. Like, this is an amazing thing. This is a lifesaver, I can say. But if you don't have these, don't be sad. There are like thousands of hack for French tip design. You can check online, and if you want me to make a video about French tip hack, so you can comment down below. Now, as French tips are done, we're gonna do a 3D cherry design. All you need to do is, like, you have to make like small stems of cherry with green gel paint, and then you have to apply nail glue on it. Then you have to apply top coat, and then you have to stick those red rhinestones on that area where you applied glue. You can see here, like, I'm not too good with explaining thing, but yeah, you can see over here, and I guess you will find out how to do this step. This is a really quick idea, and this is a really trending idea. I saw this like literally everywhere online. So yeah, you can do this nails in 5 to 10 minutes. Till I get up, time is barely on our side. Done. Hope you like this nail design, and hope you like this video. If you did, so make sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, share this video with your family and friends, and I'm gonna meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye. By the way, these are glow in the dark nails.